Okay, this may end up being totally scrapped, but you may notice that that the traits aren't completely maxed out, and I do have an explanation for that. And that is because I have all of these consumables. So I'm thinking maybe if I just use some of these consumables, its pyromancy is all the way down. In these fights that I'll be able to win. So you know what? I think what we're going to do, actually, we're going to start with the critter crew. I'm going to start with the critter crew because they all basically synergize off each other. So, wow, that is a lot of agility. If we can, just one moment, should be bad. If we can keep that synergy, we can probably get a lot more strength out of this group than we normally would. So we're gonna lose some rats. Did we lose our druid? We lost our druid. That is concerning. Okay, I was thinking about getting more healers anyways. Should be fine. Wow, we actually lost a lot more there than I thought. We lost... Oh, we only have one rat left. Wow, okay. Considering how core they are, I think we're switching out already. That pyromancer really messed us up. Yeah, so we're bringing in the beasties. The beastie boys, if you will. And let's bring in... We're bringing the misfits too. Oh, change this fight speed. I said it right! I said it right! I was about to stutter, but I caught myself. I will change the fight speed back. This one here. There you go. I think this is okay. I don't think this fight should be all that bad. I'm concerned about our southern warg. Okay. Wow, that guy popped. I just don't like these pyromancers. These pyromancers are way too scary. Oh, okay, Rhino's still alive. Okay. We're already a lot further than before. Pyromancers, yeah, see, like, they're way too good at what I like playing around, so I'm just not gonna take those fights. I didn't even use that many consumables. Oh, we lost Ryan. No, I expected some. Oh, we actually lost a lot. We lost the guns and the rhino. Okay. Let's take out these guys now. And bring in the lizards. And the bats. And the rat. Actually, let's like a double lizard bat. Do something like this right here. Is AOA value in? Okay. Looks like we did end up losing the Stormbringer there. No pyro here. That wizard. Bring in the last bat. And just to make sure we can bring it home, health potion. Health potion. Health potion. Health potion. Honestly, that should be enough, but I'm not risking it. Plus, I got all the shit to use. Stamina. 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 Let's get you the intelligence potion. Let's get you the agility potion. Let's get you the stamina. Okay. So there's basically no way we lose this fight. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Even though the Stormbringer died, he still did so much damage. Sunfire along the... Got a lot of these stews. Okay. Which swamp? That was the finale, the lighthouse. Honestly, I think it might just be consumable time in here on. I'll take a minute. There's this one. Oh wow. Okay. Wizard, rat, witch, ward, that. And go.
I managed to contact the swamp witches. Are you willing to offer them some of your mana crystals as a sign of goodwill? Maybe we could get them to cooperate.
Yeah, sure. Fine. What the hell? Birds? Birds! Bird champ! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bird champ! What are you? Oh, they massacred that. I put that wizard a little too low. Bro, we're champs.
The witches asked us to help them defend against Baroness's forces. She's trying to exterminate them from the Deadwoods.
We'll help. Whoa. This is an official looking arena, huh? We can't really critter swat it out here. I don't think this doubles into this one. Especially because this thing now has 100 strength. Snakes still aren't doing much, but don't need to. All of his damage is coming from the items. Level 20.
Well done, lad. I think we'll hear from them again.
Sure. Oh, you don't want to. Let's try this on Achievo. Reach 20. Harvest money. Enjoy GG. What? Iron Scarab? Hits resists 60% of melee and projectile attack types. Damn. Oh yeah, I wonder. I really should get Beastmaster. I'm like, someone.
There's a group of dwarven poachers stealing creatures from the swamp. The witches need our help getting rid of them.
Alright. Sounds like a plan. Yeah. If there's a way for me to like buy traits
The witches express great gratitude for our help.
or crafting tools, this would be a lot better. Stealth bug. This isn't poisoned. That hit from that salt bug actually did a lot. Well, big health potion. Alright, which swamp? I am in you. Oh wait, I didn't see how many people fight. 10? I don't think these stands are actually an issue, it's just that they're tanky. But I don't think they're outlasting our problem. I'm gonna use the critter squad as backup, I think. Oh, that Stormbringer smash was so good. No one done. That's what I want to see. Oh, it's time. Yeah. That went. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Now both of our rhinos are amazing. It should be fine. Oh. I really should just get an healer instead of the Stormbringer, because the healing is a bit hard for just 2 healers to keep track of. We got 1 storm? Yeah, that was good. Oh wait, what were those things? Phantom Seer. Shows up out of nowhere. Screams and makes enemies so full. Should be fine. In fact, I really need to bring the wards back. Yeah, that's my fault. I'll just replace it with an orc. Oh, wait, we lost... Oh, in the storm. Okay. Here, maybe we'll... Let's put in some rats. And put in some bats. Oops. If there was just a healing beast, it'd be all I needed. This. Oh, yeah, we did lose some. 2 bats. 2 rats. Who did we lose? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm confused. I actually don't know who we lost. Let's go with the rat. Looks like we're gonna be able to get through the witch swamp. Seems like a fine fight. That's an end. There's a bad dueling guy. Oh, right now. Helped out. More HP. You know how it is. Alright, we are going to bring this one home. HP. HP. You two get a summon thing? You get a strength pot. And honestly, I think that's all we're gonna need. Oh, maybe I was horribly wrong. Oh no. Oh, they're fine. I saw the enemy and our back. I thought, oh, our healers must have died. Nope. Yeah, sure. We just got an open slot. And agility. Yeah. Huh. So that's it. Oh.
A group of peasants got lost in the swamps. As a final act of trust, the witches would like you to capture them for the sacrifice ritual.
Okay. Yeah, what happens if they decide to trust us?
I believe some of them are considering joining our guild.
We can get some bird champs? Oh, was that their fart? I was like, whoa, are they healing? No. No, they're not.
The sacrifice has proven to the witches that you're one of them now. Some of them are even considering joining our guild.
Please do.
Our trust has matured enough for me to entrust you with this vital, albeit unsavory task, crucial for the kingdom's survival.
Yep, you want me to kill, huh?
I will invite a group of dwarves to a meeting in Mana Tower. Your gladiators will execute them.
Sounds like they're in your way.
Right. Our mining efficiency is not nearly fast enough, It will take us decades before our tax contribution is high enough to guarantee my place at the High Council. To succeed, I require the latest, most powerful dwarven digging technology.
And what's stopping you from getting it?
You remember the artifact from the ancient temple that you retrieved for me?
Yeah.
It was a powerful energy fragment that is needed to power some of their latest drilling technology. I gave them the blighted thing, and now they're holding on to the machine.
What the?
Swiving dwarven union. I need a majority of the votes to get the approval to use a machine of such power.
How many votes do you have?
Not enough. Should you assist me in the untimely disappearance of 3 board members, I will have the majority.
Alright, yeah. For my bitterness. Whoa. Boop, 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 boop. Rats and some bats. Oh, Zawaldo! I just saw a bat just freeze mid-swing.
Excellent. The next group of dwarves are on their way. I'll get back to you soon.
Okay. I will take Coke. Oh, and lemon. Three witches.
Some of the swamp witches are interested in joining our guild.
Yeah. Bird champ! Bird champ! Witch. And it, anything? Wow. Guess I don't do some. I'm cursing them. Bird champ. I have to. I don't care if this might be a horrible decision. Let's get another priestess and another druid, and then Berry champ, berry champ, berry champ, berry champ, berry champ, berry champ. They're all called. Oh, no, okay. This is a bird champ 1. This is a bird champ 2. This is bird champ. Wait. 3. This is bird champ 4. This is bird champ 5. And then this is bird. I don't think I want any else. Thank you. My bird army shall be glorious. Honestly, you don't need to say that. You're level 23. Yeah. Boots. Sword, strength. Get some steaks, looks good. Meat. never Oh, dear God. Oh, hold on, I gotta get some names for these. Actually, since I'm not gonna use them. Oh, okay, I actually have, there's only 2 names left. We've got Kupos, and we've got, there you go. I believe that's how he picks his names anyways. Yeah, so what to do about this, huh? Oh no. That area is massive, but yeah, that was the idea. We knock him down, keep him down, able to kill him.
A gathering of stone golems broke into the Mana Tower, smashing everyone in their sight. Can you gladiators dispense of them for me?
Yeah. What are these things? There's so many like new enemies being introduced like right at the end of the game. Wow. Wow. These things are good, huh? Wow, these things are really good, huh? Oh, okay. Remind me to pick up that the intelligence gear. I mean, I guess we just gotta try the bats, huh? Okay. Excellent. No deaths even. Wow. Kind of surprised.
Thank you, guild owner.
Yeah. Okay. Intelligence, 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 intelligence. And intelligence. Okay, yeah, let's redo stats real quick. So like 400? No, it's 500. And 4k HP. And then rest of the okay. And then yeah, you've got way too much stuff. Oh, there you go. And then all the way up. All the way. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this really so I can off screen.